As much as we don't like to admit it, there are things that show us that we are advancing in age, such as wrinkles. When we're young, we don't really pay much attention to them. But after a certain age, these marks on our skin make us feel a little uncomfortable. So what is the solution? Usually, we end up going to the pharmacy and buying anti-aging face lotion that promises to rejuvenate our skin, but we rarely stop to read the ingredients. What about trying to make a cheaper, more natural alternative with easy-to-find ingredients? This home remedy not only reduces wrinkles, but also zits and dark circles. Here's how. Ingredients: 1 banana, the juice from half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of pure bee honey. Instructions: mash up the banana and add the lemon juice and honey. Stir it well until you have an even mixture. Then rub the inside of the banana peel on your face and apply the mixture, leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes. After this time is up, wash your face with warm water and splash some cold water on it in order to close up your pores. Lastly, apply the face lotion of your preference. Repeat this process twice a week before going to bed. Due to the lemon, always do it at night and avoid sun exposure the next day. We recommend that you perform an allergy test before using this recipe on your face. Here's how. Apply a small amount to your skin, wait a few minutes. If nothing abnormal happens, then you are free to use it as you please. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.